No.
No?
No.
Because the ocean used to come all the way over right here. All of these trees, those are what kind of trees? Who remembers? Cypress trees. Put this stuff in the bucket.
Wait, can I be?
Yeah, let's go put it in the bucket. That we have a fish and a shrimp.
Can I
Swim, said the mother. We swim, said the two. So they swam through the river. We got a praying mantis.
I caught it! I stand and wait at nature's gate. For children run, their hearts I've won. I grab on him to the gasland, where nature inspires and causes fires that ignite curiosity and triggers generosity. I open the doorway and children make way. Once they go through, they never say adieu. For nature infects their honorable hearts and can never, will never be set apart. This is the gift I give to them, an endless, wondrous, priceless gem.